Map really works, as you see. I could definitely recommend this to everyone. Buy this, you will not get wrong. It's a very thin vacuum and mop. It's a powerful vacuum and mop, so no need for me to clean up my home. This vacuum will do the rest. Now this vacuum it's randomly cleaning my home. See, I have 3 children. Well, this vacuum helps really well to clean up my floor, especially the carpet, as you see. The carpet and then the tile floor. My living area, it has a tile floor, so you need to mop it. With the use of this vacuum cleaner, can mop the floor easily. This thing can last at 100 hours, 2500 milliampere battery. It has a lot of juice that able to clean up your whole house. I highly recommend you guys to get this type of mop vacuum cleaner, iRobot. A beautiful slim and sleek compact iRobot vacuum and mop combo. And that's the docking stations. I use a power bank, a rechargeable power bank. Perfect, look at that. I use only a low pressure setting with the turbo suctions. See, but if I put medium setting for the tiles, it's gonna soak my tiles, but low setting for wire for the mop, it helps you to clean your tiles. See, tiles already been cleaned up. I don't have any problem right now with the help of that vacuum mop. Really remarkable product. I highly recommend you guys. See, my tiles is all very clean right now. I can tell you guys, it's very hard if you guys have a lot of children. I have 3 children. Look at that. Look at that. The mopping power. That's a low setting. Look. Very nice. Very nice. Look at my floor.